Today I'll show you the exact save file location for Forza Motorsport 7 on PC. Let's get straight into the folder. Go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. Type here percentage local app data percentage and then select OK option. And here you just need to select this packages folder and find this Microsoft Apollo base game folder and double click on the system app data folder. And now open the WGS folder and random numbers. And this is where all your game progress will be saved. Now I show you guys how to take backup. Just right click on the WGS folder and select copy and paste it in another location. Now you can easily restore if something goes wrong. Just copy and paste it in this location and your game progress will be back. And don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.